Here's how to add products, including ones that have different variations to your Elapix store. From the sidebar menu, go to Inventory. Then click this Add button and select Add Products. From the window that pops up, select the store you want to add the product to. Scroll down and enter the product name here. Elapix will automatically generate an SKU and slug for you. If you want to generate a barcode for the product, click here. Next, scroll down and enter a product description. This is your chance to provide information about the product and advertise it to your customers. If you want the product to appear on your website homepage, toggle this on. Then click Next. Enter the product price here. If you want to allow customers to pay for the product on delivery, toggle this on. If not, leave it turned off. Here, enter your stock quantity, that is, how many of these products you have for sale. If this is an online product that can be downloaded, such as an ebook, toggle these two on. Then click Choose File to upload the file. Set the number of days the download link will last before expiring when a customer buys. But if this is a physical product, leave the toggles off and click Next. If the product requires shipping and you need to specify its weight, length and other dimensions, enter them here. If not, just click Next. Click Choose Images to upload your product pictures. You can also add categories and tags to help organize your product. Click Next, then click Create Product. That's it. Your product has been successfully added to your Elapix store. To add variations to a product, click the pencil icon on the product row, then go to Variation. Click Add Variation Type and enter a heading such as size or color. In the box below, enter the different options available. You can add multiple variation types. Once you're done, click Save Variation Types, then click Generate Variants. Scroll down to view your list of variants generated from your options. If some options have a different price from the base price you set earlier, enter the price here. If not, leave the field unchanged so it automatically inherits the base price. Also, enter the stock quantity available for each variant. When you are done, click Update Products. Now, when customers shop on your website, they can select the exact variation or combination of options they want for that product.